Hi, and welcome to the next lesson in SolidWorks Essentials. In this lesson, we're going to look at exercise 41, adding draft. So let's get started. So this is exercise 41, adding draft on page 306. So we have a bit of modifying to do on this one. The rib should be going across instead of along the length. And we have to change this little hub in the middle. So let's get cracking into it. So if I roll back and just go back here, the first thing it asks you to do is change the draft on the whole model. So we'll just select that draft, and it's 5 degrees, and we'll select the bottom face, and then we'll apply it to these outer edges just to draft that. Apply that, and it gives me that outward draft from the bottom on that. If I roll forward, then I've got the fillets okay, and the bottom fillet goes on okay, and then the shells should be okay as well. So the shells, 2mm shell on that. And don't think we're asked to change that. I think we're okay with that. So then if we get down as far as the ribs, so the rib's going in that sort of length, along the length of it. So we need to change that 90 degrees. So if I right click and edit the sketch on that, and that little vertical relation's holding that around, so I can just delete that relation and basically just pull that line around to the horizontal. You see it going sort of white horizontal, so it's not fixed. So I need to actually just apply that horizontal, so I make sure it goes, and it's definitely horizontal. You don't need to go any further with that. You can leave the line short like that. That's should be good to go, and edit the sketch, and we get that. Oh, sorry, exit the sketch. Got a fillet on the top. I think that's going to be all right, and then the cylinder boss. Sketch, so I'll edit the sketch, and that should be 12mm. And if we edit the feature then, so offset, and it's up 23. Flip the direction, and instead of blind, it's up to surface, and 5 degrees. And that's okay. So then this is going to error out, so right click and edit the feature. So it's missing a few faces on that. I'll just kind of clear all the selections on that, and we just reapply that. So if I just select that, and I don't want to do the top, I don't think so. Maybe just delete that and just pick the edges. Trying to be clever. Didn't work. And I think that's okay like that. And that's that. And then the last one, this changes from a countersink to a counterbore, and also we need to change because it was on the bottom face, so I need to kind of just change that. So I can edit the sketch plane. My sketch plane is now on this top, so you can see the missing face. So put it on the top, and instead of a countersink, it's going to be a counterbore, so edit the feature. Select that, and it's an asymmetric, and screw, and it's M3, and I'm just going to clear that countersink on it. So just take that off, and I think that's that.